Luxury more than you imagine. Watch to the end for jaw-dropping elegance. This mansion's ivory cream facade blended with rich copper bronze accents creates an awe-inspiring first impression. The grand elevation features tall glass windows, elegant balconies, and custom lighting that reflects warmth and prestige. Every architectural line is intentional, drawing your gaze toward the expansive entryway. The lush symmetry and landscaping only adds to its picture-perfect presence. The copper highlights shimmer brilliantly under sunlight. It's a visual symphony of modern elegance and timeless class. The rear view is equally mesmerizing, with clean lines and a harmonious flow from the main mansion to the outdoor amenities. Large sliding glass doors open to reveal serene indoor-outdoor transitions. The copper detailing on railings and fixtures gleams in the evening light. Terrace levels and ambient lighting enhance its visual depth. Each feature is perfectly placed, offering both luxury and privacy. It's more than a view, it's a lifestyle. Nature meets nobility. You won't believe what's behind those walls. Walk into a tranquil garden oasis wrapped in the scent of blooming florals and rustling leaves. Custom-designed pathways and light cream stone guide you through curated plants and topiaries. Bronze sculptures and lanterns add a touch of artistic charm. The harmony between architecture and nature is evident in every corner. Subtle uplighting turns this garden into a magical escape by dusk. This is not just landscaping, it's outdoor storytelling. The pool area is sheer indulgence, shaped to perfection and surrounded by minimalist lounge furniture. Ivory marble decking stays cool underfoot, contrasting beautifully with copper waterfall features. At night, underwater LED lights create a serene glow, perfect for peaceful swims. A built-in hot tub and fire pit lounge elevate the relaxation experience. Privacy walls and manicured hedges wrap the space with serenity. This is five-star resort living at home. Step into a lobby that feels like a five-star palace, with soaring ceilings and a cascading chandelier as a centerpiece. Ivory tone marble flooring with copper inlay patterns lead the way. Wall textures blend fabric panels and soft stone, exuding elegance. A double staircase with bronze railings curves upward with grace. Ambient lighting is curated to perfection. This entrance alone sets the tone for unmatched luxury. Design lovers, this one's for you. Wait till you see the ceiling in the living room. The living room is a masterclass in grandeur with layered textures and panoramic outdoor views. Oversized cream sofas with bronze trim tables invite you in. The ceiling is detailed with wood-beamed accents and an artistic chandelier that glows warmly. Wall-to-wall windows blur the line between inside and outside. Smart lighting and acoustic panels make it both cozy and cinematic. This is where sophistication meets soul. The kitchen is a culinary dream wrapped in smooth ivory cabinetry and bronze fixtures. A large island with a marbled top sits at the center, complete with bar seating. Top-tier appliances blend seamlessly with the elegant backdrop. Copper pendant lights add warmth above the island. Every drawer and cabinet opens with a soft close whisper. This space is as functional as it is beautiful. A chef's delight. The dining hall sits under a recessed ceiling with custom lighting that bathes the room in golden warmth. A long handcrafted table in soft wood is paired with plush ivory chairs. Bronze detailing lines the windows, and floor-length curtains frame the space elegantly. Art pieces hang subtly, complementing the neutral color palette. It's perfect for intimate dinners or grand feasts. This room truly sets the stage for meaningful moments. The master bedroom equals next-level peace. Don't miss the hidden luxury in the closet. This bedroom is a calming sanctuary designed with plush textures, muted tones, and gold-tinted lighting. The headboard wall is dressed in suede panels, and a bronze-framed mirror reflects warm ambient light. A private seating nook offers a perfect reading escape. Curtains glide silently, revealing a private balcony. The flooring blends natural wood with soft carpeting. Here, luxury isn't loud. It's effortlessly peaceful. Enter a closet that's more boutique than storage, lit by LED strip lighting along every shelf. Custom ivory cabinetry lines the walls, fitted with velvet-lined drawers and display sections. A bronze-trimmed central island offers space for accessories and watches. Full-length mirrors and a hidden vanity add practical beauty. Everything has a place, and every piece feels like a collection. This walk-in closet is peak organization with flair. The bathroom is sculpted luxury, with a freestanding tub, copper fixtures, and soft ivory walls that reflect spa-like calm. A large backlit mirror crowns a floating double-sink vanity. Rainfall showers are encased in frameless glass with bronze edging. Heated floors and subtle aromatherapy complete the experience. Every material speaks refinement. It's not just a bathroom. It's a retreat for the senses. Step into a showroom-style garage featuring epoxy-coated ivory flooring and smart lighting that highlights every luxury vehicle. Walls have copper accent panels, matching the sleek car lifts and storage. Temperature-controlled interiors ensure peak preservation for high-end models. From Bentleys to Lamborghinis, each car sits like a sculpture. It's not just storage, it's a display of power and prestige. Thanks for joining this mansion tour, where every detail speaks luxury. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking home reveals. Stay tuned for more luxury content. The next mansion might just be your dream home.